Yeah, now we are back again, again and again. Always, we are back again. Always, my lord. The man has a story to tell today. You know, I once stepped up on this rail. Yeah, I was with another brother. Yeah, so what was happening? We were chilling. Uh, but also we were playing. You know. So as we are playing, came a certain spider, a strange spider, my lord. This spider, it's a spider in terms of shape, like normal spiders, but imilenze yaso, it's made in a ezingathi sculpt. I don't know how to explain. Imilenze yaso imile strange, my lord. It's more like a design, a strange design. Yabo. And sinamehlo amaninzi, like, yeah, it's a spider. Yabo. And then ke ngoku, what was so strange with this spider, ifriend yam le ndihamba nayo in this place was playing with the spider here. And then when he was playing with the spider, it's more like if sike sachopha kuye kule ndawo uzasibetha uba sizothi nca kum, yabo. And then nam ndaxhaxhaxha wethu sibethe sithi nca ku-ayamani, yabo. And then now start like basithe nca kuye uzaleqa like afuna uba close phaa kum, asivuthulele lapha kum, yabo. And now esasenza lo way, the spider started now to ufuna uzimuvela sodwa, and then we start to chase the spider. Hey, we chased the spider, my lord. The spider, as it runs, sikhupha laa ntambo the spider, but it seems that we can fly in this space. We start to fly, chasing the spider, and the spider start to go in many different places. And what a journey, my lord. There, I saw place that was so dark engathi mud. You can't even tell nothi kunabantu okanye kunantoni. It's a mud place, imnyama, enamahlahla, yabo. Imithi yakhona inamagqabi. And then as we start to flow with this guy I'm with here, chasing the spider, and the spider, it's gray in color, like it's gray-white, like, in color. The spider got many eyes, but it's strange in terms of legs also. It's not like the normal shape of a spider in details. It's more like it's a technological something like spider, but as you see, as flesh, but the quality and the shape, I don't know how to explain this thing. But anyway, we chase the spider. We step up on another land. In this land, bruh, what I saw, because the spider started to change direction, and the guy said, bruh. And when I stepped there, it's a white space, my lord. Abantu bakhona babetha le way kuthiwa ingceke, yabo, le way ethanda uqatywa zizangoma emhlophe, like abakwethu or something. Yeah, baphawunda that thing, people there in that space, bonke bamhlophe, yabo, bonke bamhlophe. Wow, my lord. And kwa umzimba lo wabo kwabona themselves ingathi bayila way bona themselves, abo kuyaqhuma idust indawo yakhona. I started to wonder when I find myself there. ndimove apha phakathi kwabo aba bantu abandikhangela ezi zicawu because naso simhlophe like that place. So you can't see it, siyablenda nalaa mhlaba. Chasing the spider, some usikhangela because ndifuna usithatha nam phinde ndisipose kulaa mfana ndihamba naye. I start to see these people kubhizi, abanye bathwele izinto yabo, basa ngapha, abanye bathwele iingxowa, basebenza kalukhuni abantu bakhona yabo, indawo imhlophe. After bendigqithe kuleya emnyama, and then I started to chase back and I saw the spider jumping out of the dust siya phezulu, and then I start to fly also and chase the spider back to the guy. And once we reached the forest, that dark forest, that's when I started to go to because ukuthi hey, indawo enjani le bendikuyo, you know, what kind of a place enabantu abasetyenziswa kanzima kanjeya. Yasi, but in honest truth I didn't see anyone obetha omnye there, like mhlawumbi umuntu ophethe isawephu like edlula sezifilimini xa kuvezwa ihele umzekelo kubethwa abantu ukuthi basetyenziswa. No, I didn't see anyone like that, but it seems everyone knows his job there and everyone is working. No one was lazy there, everyone was doing his job, and it was a busy place, you know. I didn't know. How do I know ukuthi that spider is the one that shows me the places? Because it's the only place I can remember clear ukuthi this is what I saw. I saw the people there abaqhunqwe la dust abamhlophe, just like that place, and abasebenza that powder imhlophe, like the ones siqaba nathi xa sisisuthwini singabakhwetha ingceke iqatywana ngamagqirha. They were white more than us here. Maybe here apha emehlweni benezipoti ezimnyama some here, okanye abanye bemhlophe even kwalapha phezu kwamashiya, bebezixhomekeka ngokuguga kwabo ukuthi hello unjani ifitsha yabo, but they were there. Abanye babo bathwele iingxowa ezithwele kwala matye amhlophe ezinganamaqokobha like sisiqabayo, yabo. So I don't know ukuthi umhlabelo ikhona nje meaning that visitation eyithethayo ukuthi it has something to do, because mna I was umkhwetha. I once qaba those things when I went ndisesuthwini kwi-manhood, you know. So I don't know ukuthi it's relevant to that thing. Till sibonane kwenye isession elandelayo, bantakwethu.